Oh, that tongue. I saw you stretching. Hi, baby. Dry lips. Go get some water. Good morning. Good morning. Are you warm enough? You were like this. You were hiding. It's so warm in the room, and you're still hiding under all these blankets. Ticklish. No, ticklish. Bye-bye. Tiki, you want to get up? It's time to go to the bathroom. Come on. Let's go pee-pee. Okay.